Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Ito na naman po si Butch Bartolome ng Business Mentor Talks over Manila Times. Alam nyo ba, mahalaga talaga ang eyesight, no? Sinasabi natin, to see is to believe. And to see is to believe, meron tayong isang kasama sa PCCI Quezon City na isang dalubhasa, isang neuro-ophthalmologist. Naku, mabigat yun, ha? Neuro na, opta pa, di ba? So, pakilala natin siya, si Dr. Erwin Palisok. Good morning, Dr. Erwin.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone and Happy New Year. I'm Dr. Erwin Palisok. It's an honor to be here today in your show. Well, I actually wear two hats in my professional journey. One as a dedicated ophthalmologist and the other as a passionate entrepreneur. So as
Wow.
an ophthalmologist, I specialize in the care and treatment of eye conditions, specifically those involving the brain, no? Those diseases connected to the brain, because I'm a neuro-ophthalmologist, helping my patients achieve and maintain their best possible vision. So my clinical work is deeply rewarding because I get to make a tangible difference in people's lives, ensuring that they can see and experience the world clearly. On the
Eh,
other hand, sa business side naman, I've been fortunate to combine my medical practice or expertise with entrepreneurial ventures, no? So particularly in the health and wellness industry. So this allow me to innovate, build sustainable practices, and create opportunities to serve even more beyond the clinic. Okay?
naku.
So today, I'm excited to share my journey of balancing these two roles, no? The challenges I've overcome and how both fields fuel my passion for excellence and service. So thank
Yes.
you for having me here.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Dr. Erwin. Alam mo, pag Dr. Erwin, masyadong mabigat, no? Erwin talaga. Alam mo naman, very similar like to another celebrity. So, Doc, ikaw ay graduate ng University of the Philippines, Manila. And
Doon po ako nag-masters ng hospital
master.
administration. Had my masters in hospital administration.
And then you took up graduate studies sa anong is this?
Manila Central University po. I'm also teaching there.
Mm-mm.
I'm teaching both biochemistry and ophthalmology subject in the College of Medicine of Manila Central University in Caloocan City, Monumento.
Caloocan. And you are also practicing in De Los Santos Hospital,
Medical Center.
TLS. Okay.
Yes, apo.
So, shout out mga taga De Los Santos dyan, no? Si ating board member na si Carmen Soriano. So, Doc,
And also affiliated din sa Veterans Memorial Medical Center and Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center.
naku, jump na ako, Doc, sa iba. How do you balance work life? alam mo, marami tayo nagsasabing iba eh. You know, work-life balance, work-life family balance. How do you manage that? Mukhang you're forever young, you're always smiling, happy, you know, cheerful, walang wrinkles. Okay, so Doc, ano ba sikreto? How do you balance your work life?
So actually, managing time effectively involves a combination of prioritizing, planning, and staying focused. No, so you have to set a clear goal. No, first, no, you have to begin with an end in mind. No, so you have to define short-term and long-term goals and break larger goals into manageable tasks. And you have to prioritize your tasks, no? So focus on tasks that align with your goals and tackle high priority tasks during your peak productivity hours, no? And then you have to plan your day ahead of time, no? So you have to use a planner or digital calendar or time blocking techniques, and then you have to allocate specific time slots for tasks and activities, no? So you
Okay.
have to leave buffer time for unforeseen circumstances or
These are
interruptions.
the unexpected, no? Unexpected na may mga tatawag, o may
Yes.
mga ano. But what is neuro-ophthalmology, Doc?
Yeah.
Ano ba yung
Neuro-ophthalmology is actually a subspecialty of ophthalmology, no, concerning um, those diseases related to the brain that manifest in the eye, like those with uh, optic nerve problem, no? They
hmm,
are experiencing blurring of vision, and those with limitation in eye movement due to stroke, no, or um, due to vascular diseases like hypertension and diabetes that may
mhm.
manifest as doubling of vision. Nagdodoble yung paningin. So
Nagdo-double vision siya, no?
yun yung mga
Oh.
diseases na tinitreat namin as neuro-ophthalmologists.
So there are people who are confused between an optometrist and ophthalmologist. I'm
Yes,
sure very common yan, Doc, no?
that's right.
Kung ikaw ay medyo malabo ang paningin mo, ang layman, saan
Yeah.
ba dapat pumunta muna?
Uh, Actually, ang ophthalmologist, we are a doctor of medicine, no? So before
Mm-mm.
we became an ophthalmologist, we actually finished 4-year pre-med course, and then after that, we go into uh, full 4-year or 5-year course, no? This is a doctor of medicine, no? So that's the proper, no? The
Proper.
medicine proper, no? And then after that, we had our internship, and then we go into residency training to specialize in our field of specialization, specifically ophthalmology. So usually
Mhm.
3 to 4 years yon. And then another years of training for the subspecialty. In my case, neuro-ophthalmology. I took it both here in the Philippines and also abroad. No? So 2 years
Wow.
siya. Opo,
So
neuro-ophthalmology
so
training.
matagal-tagal talaga ang
Opo.
training pala, no? Hindi biro-biro. I mean,
So yun po yung ophthalmology. We are dealing
oo.
with all diseases related to the eye, no? All eye
Mm.
conditions, no? So we do both medical and surgical. Um, we treat, no, those
Mm-mm.
patients with eye problems, no? So
Okay.
medical and surgeries po ang ophthalmology.
So
Well,
yung optometrist
optometrists
naman,
po,
yeah.
they are those who are responsible in correcting the error of refraction, specifically those who are prescribing eyeglasses or spectacles or contact
Mhm.
lenses. No? So they are the ones expert in that field, no? Sa prescription of spectacles or
So
eyeglasses.
which comes first?
Depende po sa ano, kung
Oo.
error refraction, initially po sa optometrist. And
Mm.
then kung meron pa pong other eye conditions na hindi ma-address ng salamin, then you go to an ophthalmologist.
Okay. So
Typically, with eye problem na kailangang operahan, like catarata,
oo.
glaucoma, yung mga ganun po. So,
Mm.
dapat po sa ophthalmologist po kayo po.
So dapat muna yun importante. But Doc Erwin, yung ating mga tao ngayon ay parati nagsasabi na ganito talaga, tumatanda na, okay lang kung may katarata, yung mga ganun pa. Yung ba ay isa sa mga dapat, to accept it or it can be remedied? Yung mga katarata, yung mga ano.
Actually, ang cataract po, that's inevitable. No? Once we turn the age of 60 or above, it's very common in elderly individuals. No? So,
Mhm.
it happens po talaga. It's a degenerative condition na dapat po natin na hindi baliwalain kasi it can cause blurring of vision. No? So, it may manifest with decreased
Mhm.
vision. So, common po siya talaga sa elderly individuals. And na-address naman po siya kasi it's a reversible blindness na pag inoperahan, it can be treated po. Kung wala naman pong ibang problema sa ibang party ng
Mhm.
mata, then mag-improve naman yung vision afterwards.
So there's still a chance pala to improve.
There's
So
a big-
before we go to becoming an entrepreneur, there are a lot of young, the generation nowadays, wherein they're concentrated with their cell phones,
Yeah.
nakababad sa computer, mga entrepreneurs, parati nakayuko.
True.
Ano yung mapapayo mo dito? Because a lot of people would say you have to stay away, you have to take a rest. But again, nowadays, because of our technology, we are always concentrated on that small black box. How can we prevent that?
Yun nga, no? There's this 2020 rule, no? So we have to follow the 2020 rule. After 20 minutes of screen time, you have to look at the distance of 20 feet for at least 20 seconds, no? So you have to limit the screen time and follow the 2020 rule, no? So
2020.
and
So
then
20 minutes is screen time,
yeah,
20 seconds look
at
far.
a distance of 20 feet.
Okay,
20 feet away for
20 feet. Bakit po ganun?
Para po ma-prevent yung digital eye strain or dry eye syndrome. Para ma-relax yung mata. Kasi dapat nagbi-blink po yung mata natin.
Dapat nagbi-blink, no?
Lubricate, ma-moisten yung
Alright.
cornea, yung anterior part of the eye.
Mm-mm. There are people also like, bago matulog, nagsi-cellphone.
Yeah,
May mga blue screen. Ano ba yung mga tinatawag na blue screen filter?
that's right. Yeah. That's true. So we have to protect against digital eye strain, no? So we have to use blue light blocking glasses, no, for prolonged device use. And we have to enable the night mode or dark mode on our devices to reduce eye strain. No? So
So interesting talaga pala itong yung work, no? And it's also, especially nowadays, no? These are very a lot of people are now having the eye strain, the dry eyes, the migraine, and everything. But as an entrepreneur naman, Doc, how you have your business? Ano po business nila? Your business in wellness. What is the name of the business, Doc?
actually, I have a new business. It's named Celine Aesthetics and Spa. It's located in Scout Gandia, corner Tomas Morato, sa Amara and Ayomi Residences building. So, located siya dun sa Tomas Morato area, Quezon City.
So tell us about the business. How did you start the business?
Yeah.
From being a medical practitioner, a professor, and
Yeah.
going to the bridge of entrepreneurship. A lot of people are saying, wow, si Doc, naging entrepreneur pa. Okay?
Yeah, it was born out of a deep passion for wellness and beauty, combined with a desire to create a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. No? So the name Celine, no? The Celine name draws inspiration from the Greek goddess of the moon, symbolizing serenity, beauty, and renewal. No, these are the qualities we aim to bring to every client's experience. No, so what makes Celine Aesthetics and Spa unique is our holistic approach to aesthetics and wellness. No, so we embed modern science-backed skincare techniques with age-old spa traditions. No? So our treatments are actually tailored to individual needs, no? Ensuring every client feels valued, cared for, and rejuvenated. No? So we also pride ourselves on using eco-friendly, high-quality products and prioritizing sustainability in our operations. No? So
wow. So how long ago did you establish this, Doc?
Actually, last year lang siya. So,
and how's the business now? I mean, your clientele, because nowadays getting into business is very competitive, no? You have so many competitors. But I think the unique selling proposition is where you
Yeah.
get an edge, no?
Yeah, no. So we are listening to our clients' feedback and we are innovating our services. So we've built a loyal community who trust us for their beauty and wellness needs. No? So yun yung
Mm.
importante. Dapat makinig tayo sa ating mga clients. So we should have feedback, no, from our clients. So we are very committed to excellence, continuous staff training, and staying ahead of the industry trends. No? So yun
Mhm.
yung kailangan natin. No? So
So there are questions like, why would they go to your wellness? There are people who say, "Oh, I can take care of myself, DIY," But why should there be a need? For example, one of the people that one of the things I notice in people is that they are so stressed. They
yeah,
need space. Sabi nga nila, no? They need space. Is
yeah,
this what your Celine is offering right
yeah. That's true. Kasi dito sa Celine, papamperin namin talaga kayo. All the things that you need for your health, especially when it comes to relaxation, so wellness. So all-in-one na siya kasi may aesthetics and spa. No? So yun yung unique ano namin na ma-offer. Kasi ano siya one-stop shop na ba siya? Nandiyan na
now?
siya. No?
So
So
how long is the average time, Doc, for somebody to go in and be pampered and recharge, rejuvenate?
usually 1 hour, no? Mga 1 to 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours po siya.
Mm-hmm. One to
Kasi
two hours.
yung spa itself, yung massage, usually 1 hour. 1 hour to 30 minutes. 1
Mm.
hour to 30 minutes. And then, if they want to have the procedure, especially facial or laser treatments, then it will take at least 30 minutes to another 30 minutes to 1.
Wow. So, Doc, I will not take much of your time. I know you are alam mo naman, naka-balance mood si Doc, no? But tell us, where can they get in touch with you? For example, they need somebody like an ophthalmologist. They have need in their, they have questions about neuro-ophthalmology or the spa, the Celine. How can they
Yeah.
get in touch with you, Doc?
Yes. My clinic is located at the Los Santos Medical Center, room 715, Medical Arts Building. I hold clinic there every Wednesday, 3 to 5 p.m., also Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m., and Friday, 10 to 12 a.m. Then
Okay.
sa Manila Central University, once a week ako doon, Thursdays, 3 to 5 p.m. also. And then sa Silin naman, we are open from 12 noon to 12 a.m.
Wow.
Every day. Every day.
Wow, every day. So 7 days a week. You
So
cannot
mas
touch, hindi nyo mahuli si Doc Erwin. Pumunta kayo sa Celine, dyan sa Scout Gandia Corner, Tomas
Tomas
Morato. What floor is this, Doc?
ground floor lang po.
Ground floor. Okay. So wala kang lusot. Yung mga nanonood sa atin, there's no excuse not to see Doc Erwin. Okay? So yan. Doc, I will not take much of your time. Thank you very much for this brief and yet, very important tips, no? Lalong-lalo na about Celine. Ayan ang importante dyan. Everybody wants to have that space, sabi nga natin. So, Doc, final words. Ano po ang final words natin sa mga nanonood sa atin sa Business Mentor?
Yeah. So yung ano namin sa Silin, we are actually we have a goal, no, for expansion, no. So we have future plans and ongoing efforts to further reduce our environmental footprint and partner with eco-conscious brands, no. And then
Mhm.
as we prepare for the next phase, we are investing in team development, enhancing client experiences, and fostering collaborations with industry leaders. So our ultimate goal is to ensure that Celine Aesthetics and Spa continues to be a trusted sanctuary where beauty, wellness, and serenity come together harmoniously. So yun ang
Ganda.
pinaka ano
Ganda
na
naman. Trusted sanctuary. I love that. I love that. Those two words. Powerful. Trusted na sanctuary pa. All right.
Yeah.
So again, thank you
So
very
we
much, Doc.
prioritize client well-being and innovation.
Correct. So, yeah. Thank you very much, Doc, for this opportunity.
Once again.
Sure, maraming mga viewers sa atin will get in touch with you, especially your trusted sanctuary for a lot of people. Thank you very much, Doc. Thank you. Bye-bye.